So can a real estate agent really build the perfect business and the perfect day? Today, we're actually going to build the perfect day for a real estate agent to not only make you profitable, get you closing more business, but actually enjoy your life as well. What I want to do is show you an example of what a typical real estate agent's day looks like when it comes to the time that they spend from the moment they wake up to the time they go to bed. Now, every one of these little Lego blocks here is going to represent 2 hours. So you've got 24 hours laying out here right now. Let's say that these red blocks are your sleep. Let's be honest with each other. You're getting 6 hours of sleep. You're not getting 8 hours, 9 hours. If you're laying in bed and you're thinking about other things and you're not getting very good sleep at all, you're real lucky if you're getting 6 hours of sleep. When we go over to the next ones here, the green ones, these are going to represent your life, what you've got to do every day. Waking up in the morning, showering, eating, using the restroom, doing your household chores, taking the trash out, handling the dogs, doing whatever you have to do. That also is about 6 hours a day. By the time you figure you eat 3 meals, you're snacking, you've got other things that you're doing, you're spending about 6 hours a day that way. We then move over to the blue, and this is where you're going to start to have a little discrepancy here. This represents your work as a real estate agent. 4 hours a day. What I'm talking about with that, by the way, because you might be thinking you're working 12 hours a day, how much time are you actually spending with clients every day? Not looking for business, not on your computer, checking webinars, looking at the new updated lists, anything like that. How much time are you actually spending with clients working rather than looking for work? So the difference that you'll find a lot of times is, am I working in my business or am I working on my business? Looking for some other ideas or other things that I can do in my business. You're probably spending about 4 hours a day. And I know you'll have a little discrepancy on that, but we're going to talk about it in just a moment. Then your yellow is going to represent your free time. We're talking about Netflix, hanging out with family, doing different things that way that don't really involve anything that's profitable, but can certainly be good for you as well. Unfortunately, that's about 8 hours a day because you're wasting a lot of time, especially the way the real estate business has been lately. You don't have a lot of extra time to be working. So I want to bring some more in here, and we're going to talk a little bit about what you should be doing in your business to be more profitable. What I've always found, if you have a system in place, if you have a proven way to make more money for yourself as a real estate agent, a lot of this stuff starts to go away. Remember, this represents your free time, the other things that you're doing. This isn't even fun if you're getting $10,000, $12,000 commissions. We don't need Netflix. We don't need hanging out with family. We don't need run to the mall and walk around for a little while. We're actually making big money and we love doing that. So if you can start to get yourself to a system where you are generating a lot more business, you know, with me, I've been coaching real estate agents for over 26 years. I've seen agents stacking on the yellow because they're not doing real well with the blue. They're not doing well with the working every day, generating the business they need, making the kind of money that they need to make, so they're stacking this up. But if we made one little change, we take 2 hours away from our everyday work and free time to be profitable work. This is 50% more than what you were doing. If we can just get 6 hours of solid work as a real estate agent, again, I'm not talking about going through your email, checking social media, getting on a webinar, downloading a free report, reading a book. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about working in your real estate business. If you could get 50% more, which would be 6 solid hours a day, first of all, you're a little bit more balanced here. We've got 6, 6, 6, and 6. That's our 24 hours. Because remember, for every single person in the world, there's 168 hours in your week. You've got 168 hours just like I do. So how you balance this matters. Now, to be clear on the red, this is not enough sleep for you. Keep in mind, you don't have an issue with insomnia. You don't have a sleeping issue. The medical issue you have is called broke-assedness. If you weren't a broke ass, you would be making more money. So you have to fix the real problem. You can't just allot more time and think you're going to sleep better. No, when you've got this going on, you lose that sleep. So what happens is, you know what the next profitable thing might be for you? Not wasting all that extra time doing that stuff. Maybe we actually get a real 8 hours of sleep. Maybe we could sleep 10 to 6. Maybe we could sleep 11 to 7. and we could get the amount of sleep we need, because again, this is not as valuable when you get to making real money. There's not a whole lot you can do with your lifestyle stuff, the eating, showering, using the restroom, your household chores, handling the pets, any hobbies that you have. This stuff, you can't really do a whole lot with that, but where you see some of the top producers really doing well is they get rid of all of that time and they start to stack on profitable work. A lot of the agents that I coach in our inner circle coaching, where they're finding out a little bit about what marketing campaigns are generating good, motivated prospects. How do I convert those prospects so I have a lot more appointments I'm going out on, which means I have more sellers and I have more buyers. As they start stacking this up, they don't care about their television. They don't care about hanging out, wasting time, going for a walk. They don't care about that because they're stacking cash right now. They realize that eventually they're going to get old. Eventually, they're not going to be able to sell real estate the way they are now, so they can't just make enough to get by. They got to make a lot more than that to start socking money away. You can't make double what you need every year, because if you do that every single year and you stack that other money, if you do it for 5 years, you can only retire for 5 years. That's not big enough. Double what you need is not enough. So a lot of the inner circle real estate agents that are in our coaching program, we start to look at where they're spending their day, how they can get a little more balance. Now, there are some things you can do to get this down to 4 hours a day in the work week, the Monday through Friday. And you can decide where that is going to be best spent otherwise. But these are the types of things you have to start looking at what the balance is for you. And being honest about this, because if I told you to take these blue blocks, each one represents 2 hours in your day, you would have stacked this thing to the ceiling, because you really feel like you're putting in 80 hours a week, but you're not making any money. That's called charity, by the way. If you're doing something and you're not making money, that's called charity. But I'm talking about actually working with clients. As you start to stack this and you look at a better balance of where you need to be, I don't want it to be even. Your goal is not to have this even. Your goal right now is to get to where you have the amount of sleep you need, and it's all about quality of sleep, not quantity of sleep. You know, the quality of sleep actually matters. But if you can get 6 to 8 hours a day of real solid sleep, not waking up, checking your phone, playing on TikTok, doing whatever else you're doing, and if you can get to where you're not wasting time researching other opportunities, finding out where you should invest, seeing if we should spend our money on shitcoin because we've heard that's a good idea. No, you need to work on you. You need to work on building your business. There's nothing in the world that's better than you spending $500 in marketing and getting a $14,000 commission. There's nothing better. There's not a franchise, there's not owning a restaurant, there's not starting another business, there's not a multi-level marketing. This is where you get rich. But you have to be coached on the right things to do. You have to have a day that's scripted in a very profitable way for you as well. A lot of the agents that work with us are inner circle coaching. It's closed right now and you cannot enroll. We have closed enrollment at this point, but you should be getting some of our free trainings. If you're not getting the free trainings we do, you can go to gregsprioritylist.com and you can get on my priority list where I'll show you a lot of the free trainings that we offer. So you can go there now, gregsprioritylist.com. It's free. You can sign up. You can opt out anytime, but I'll give you lots of free training. You simply can't sign up for our coaching right now because we're working with our current members and enrollment's closed. We're doing fine, but I'd love to help you for free. One thing for you to think about is why you're not profitable, why you are sabotaging yourself. For an awful lot of agents that I talk to, they say their number one enemy is themselves. The reason they're not getting the things done that they should is themselves. They find a lot of excuses. The two big problems for real estate agents, distraction and procrastination. And the problem with that is the more distractions you find, the busier it makes you feel, so that it allows you to procrastinate more. Like getting in your email box. Why do you keep deleting emails? Why wouldn't you open them and unsubscribe? The more you delete emails, the more you're going to receive. You have to get control of your email box, because the only thing in your email box is other people's agenda. It's not your agenda, it's their agenda, what they want you to do. So if you're going to get to where you're more profitable, if you can get away from all of the wasted time, again, this was stacked way up. We're doing all these extra things that make us feel like work. It gives us the illusion of movement in our business, but we're not taking it in bankable dollars. It's creating that illusion of movement. So I want you to think about this and maybe even kind of play with this a little bit on a piece of paper yourself to look at where you're spending your day. But I would encourage you, don't say you're getting 8 hours of sleep simply because you're laying in the bed from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. A whole lot of that you weren't sleeping. It was really wasted time. Trying to get to sleep, trying to stay to sleep, now trying the gummies, now trying the NyQuil, now trying the everything else in the world. Should I try some CBD? No, you're dealing with an issue. The medical issue is called broke-acidness. If you fix this line naturally fixes itself. You gotta be real with yourself on this and be real about what you're spending your time on. You can't say, oh, well, the whole showering and getting up and eating and taking care of the dog and using the restroom and taking the trash out and doing all that stuff, that's only like an hour for me. Come on. You have to be real with what you're really doing. You spend more than an hour walking to the refrigerator every 17 minutes. This you have to be honest with. That's the only way you're going to fix where the real money is coming in, the work that you do. So my encouragement for you is, first of all, make sure you're following our channel. Make sure you're following some of the trainings that I teach and how I can help you in growing your business. But a lot of times it's that no BS approach, the real facts about what's going on with your day, why you're not as profitable as you can be, and how you can start to have a little force field around you for all those distractions that get in the way. And I know you've seen a lot of videos on our channel here about that. We have thousands of videos available to help you in growing your business. Again, you can't get in Inner Circle coaching right now. The only way you'll even know about that when I do open enrollment is if you are on our priority list. So again, you can grab your spot for that now, gregsprioritylist.com. I've got lots of free trainings and webinars that will help you to actually have an action plan to start making money. And anytime that I do open up Greg Luther Inner Circle Coaching, you will be the only ones that know about that because you're on our priority list. So make sure you're following here. Share this with another agent, someone that needs to have a little bit better balance in their life. Share this with them. And let me ask you, if this is helpful for you, give me a like here. Give me a thumbs up. Help us to race to over 1,000 likes. It helps the channel. It helps with what we're doing to help you in growing your business as well. So give us a thumbs up here as well. Check it out right now, gregsprioritylist.com, and grab yourself a piece of paper. Let's see what your day honestly looks like. I'm Greg Luther. We'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now.